let's log into our Gmail account or our Google account, which is attached to the school website. We go to the login button here, select the account, which in my case is LDG_teacher, and it opens up Google Classroom, or you type classroom.google.com and this is the first screen you get. Say continue and select that you're a teacher, that's your role. If a student selects teacher, well, they won't be able to get into any classroom. Now we get into how do we create our first class. There's a plus sign here. Click on it and select create class. Give your class a name. I always use my initials. First class in Google Classroom. No need for a section subject room for the time being. We can do that later if we need to. And click on create. Now you see that Google Classroom is creating a classroom for you. And there it is. You can click all these got it buttons just to know where you are at. That's your first class in Google Classroom. You see stream at the top, you see classwork, you see people, and you see marks. When you see marks, you know that you're a teacher in this classroom. First thing when you get your classroom is you would like to add people into your classroom. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on people, and I see that I'm a teacher here. I can add another teacher, or I can add students. One way to add students, if you know the group email ID, which we will let you know in a while, is to type in the group email ID here. For example, I want to add all the teachers of the school, so I will add classroom.teachers@sxcsccu.edu.in, and you see it pops up here with the search results. I click on that and I invite. Every single teacher in the school will now receive a mail in their official mailbox to say that they have been added to the group. I want to add another student to demonstrate this, so I'm going to add my special student ID which I have created, which is LDG_teacher@sxcsccu.edu.in. There it is. I'm adding LDG, right? It says it couldn't invite the student for some reason. Maybe LDG is a teacher, not a student, so I'm going to cancel that. Okay. I'm now going to invite one more student, and that is somebody called Leslie at sxcsccu.edu.in. Let's try that. I'm going to type in Leslie at sxcsccu.edu.in, and there I am. I'm inviting Leslie to this class as a student. Done. Now all that we need to do is find out if Leslie has got the invitation. Just to demonstrate how this works, I am on the inbox for Leslie at sxcsccu.edu.in. I can see that here, so I know which inbox I'm in. And then I go to the waffle menu, click on it and open Classroom. Now I'm in Leslie's classroom. And what do I see? I see that LDG first class in Google has invited me. So here's an invitation. So all I've got to do is click on join, and I have joined as a student. All the teachers in St. Xavier's will get a similar invitation and they can join as a student. Now, if you look at the student view, you'll see stream, classwork and people. I won't see marks. If I look, let me go back to the teacher's view. When I go back to my teacher version, I see stream, classwork, people and marks, and I also see that Leslie DeGama has accepted my invitation. So now I'm ready to run my class. And Leslie DeGama, LDG, will receive whatever information I give to him in his box here.